This is what the final workbook looks like. This exercise will have less explicit instruction and have you leaning more on search to answer your questions. You can reference the video search suggestions in the project map if you need help. Step 1. Download project map and data file from website. Place inside project folder. Step 2. Open the EEWB3 workbook from previous exercise and save as the data tab as .csv. Save the file to your project folder as salesdata.csv. Make sure to change the file type to .csv. The default is .xlsx. Name the file salesdata.csv. Click OK to save the active sheet only. The file has already been saved. Choose either save, or don't save to dismiss the message box. Step 3. Create and open EEWB3 workbook in project folder. Step 4. Import salesdata.csv and employeedata.csv. Suggestion: rename tabs to employee data and sales data from imported table names. Step 5. On Employee Data tab, insert column before column B and name it Employee Name. Make formula to concatenate the first name, a space, and the last name. Here's the formula, equals C2 ampersand space, in quotes, ampersand D2. Copy the formula down to the end of the table, this should be done for you. Convert formulas to values. Step 6. Create and populate employee name, month, quarter columns on Sales Data tab. Insert 3 columns before column D. Name them, employee name, month, and quarter. You can use the Ctrl+Y keys to copy the last command. Use the VLOOKUP formula to populate employee name from employee data. Use columns A and B from the employee data sheet, returning the employee name value. Use the text formula to get 3-character month name from order date. Manually type in the quarter formula into cell F2. Step 7. Convert formulas to values. Convert employee name, months, and quarter columns on Sale Data tab formulas to values. Step 8. Clean up sales data sheet by deleting old sales column and renaming new sales to sales. Step 9. Create a pivot table and bar chart from sales data table. Place on a new tab. Pivot fields, no filters, rows, quarter and month, columns, employee name, sum values, sales. Step 10. Rename Pivot Table tab results, and zoom to see entire pivot table and chart. Step 11. Copy columns employee name through sales from Sales Data tab and paste on Results tab, cell A25. Step 12. Delete extra columns and convert to table, Ctrl+T. Get table name from menu for formula. Your table should include employee name, month, quarter, and sales. Step 13. Enter subtotal formula directly into cell A24, my table name is table 5. Step 14. Validate employee/sales/month and employee/sales/quarters values.